Good morning, students. Today, let's do question number 13. Question number 13 is if fx is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. fx a matrix samagamana. Then show that fx into fy is equal to f of x plus y. fx have a function on pire, how's I show to say left hand side have a function siga, right hand side have a siga mane. Question number 13, first write fx. fx in terms of matrix the pire. fx is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 are the elements of the matrix. Matrix elements then write fy. fy are the x a y na represent fy is equal to cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 and the 0, 0, 1. And so f of x plus y. f of x plus y means this x, it should be replaced by x plus y. x plus y na replace the run cos of x plus y minus sin x plus y 0, sin x plus y cos of x plus y 0 and 0, 0, 1. Today when howzik so to do se kaino f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Sigi function geneva. f of x into f of y is equal to f of kya ga manaba x plus y. See have a function set when so to for left hand side. Left hand side is the product of two functions fx and the fy. Function x in terms of matrix the p, function y is in terms of matrix the p. The first matrix is a matrix of order 3 by 3, second matrix is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Compatible or they are compatible for multiplication. Then apply the rule of multiplication. Multiplication rule apply to this first row, second row and the third row. Multiply by first column, second column and the third column. First column na multiply to cos y, sin y and 0. Cos y into cos x sin a, sin y, cos y minus sin y into minus sin x into sin y. 0 into 0 is equal to 0 either. Sin x multiplied by cos y, sin x plus cos y plus cos x into sin y cos x. 0 into 0 is equal to 0, 0 either. Cos y into 0 is 0, sin y into 0 is 0, and 0 into 1 is equal to 0. So my taraga when elements of first row, second row, and the third row of the first matrix multiply by the corresponding elements of first column of second matrix na multiply to was lower. Si makada kanana multiply to rani elements of second column sin y, cos y and 0. Cos x into minus sin y cos x, cos y into minus sin x and the cos y. 0 into 0 is 0. Minus sin y into sin x sin y plus cos y into cos x is cos x plus cos y. 0 into 0 it will be 0. Last key 0, 0, 1 the C elements in a multiply to 0 into minus sin y is 0. Cos y into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 nga the fang is matrix sige. Third column na multiply to 0, 0 and 1. Write all the elements of third column as the elements of row. 0, 0, 0, 0 nga to tare multiple of 0 is 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is equal to plus 1. Next, find the value of these expressions. Cos x, cos y minus sin x and the sin y. Cos x, cos y minus sin x, sin y is the cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y की expansion है, which is the expansion of cos of x plus y. Minus sin y cos x minus sin x cos x minus common later ko common lau to add the sin x cos y plus sin y and the cos x की sin x over in the first day sin y over in the second day 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Sin x cos y plus sin y and the cos x. Sin x cos y plus sin y and the cos x. This is the expansion of sin x plus y. Sin x sin y plus cos x and the cos y. Sidi kanagi expansion tare. This is the expansion of cos of x plus y. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And the 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So may tawag ko na i-reco. Cos of x plus y minus sin x cos y plus sin y and the cos y, which is the expansion of sin x plus y. 0 sin x plus y and the cos of x plus y 0 0 0 1 iba lore. Sida tariba expression sidi kaiga manarane. Cos x plus y minus sin x plus y 0, sin x plus y, cos of x plus y 0, and the 0 0 1 is equal to f of x plus y. Ngasay mamangda f of x plus y have elements sing duga sige elements sing siga chap manare. Dudi this matrix is equal to function of x plus y ni. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So main tawraga koina left side ka right side ka manay haina prove tawba ngame. Next question. Next question is question number 16. If A is a matrix of order 3 by 3 whose elements are 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3, prove that a cube minus 6 times of a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. Left hand side की value से कई गमाने न prove तोगने in a right hand side. Matrix A MP रे identity matrix हम यार. If A is a matrix of order 3, then I will be identity matrix of order 3. So question number 16, try to. If A is a matrix of order 3 irregular, then write identity matrix of order 3 whose elements are 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Koina hozik so tawduse a cube minus 6 times of a square plus 7a plus 2i have a set 0 ga manai hai se prove tawdune. A cube minus 6 times of a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. Adu dekho in a square ki value puthok pa change, a cube ki value puthok pa change. A square is a into a. Exponent lo pale ko a power 1 a to the power 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ne. A square is given by a into a. Elements here, write the elements of matrix A, elements of matrix A. So my ito ko. And the sigi first row, second row, and the third row multiply by corresponding elements of first column, second column, and third column. Write this elements as the elements of row 1 0 2 1 0 2 1 ire. Find the sum of product of corresponding elements. 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4. 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 1 is equal to plus 2. 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So, may taraga, first column na multiply to lore, then second na multiply to multiply by elements of second column. 0, 2, 0. 0 into 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2, 0. Since all the multiples of 0 is 0 tareko, last the third kisina multiply to. Third multiply to already write 2, 1, 3 as the elements of row. 2 into 1 plus 2, 1 into 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 1 into 0 is 0, and 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Then like this we can find the value of a square. Find the sum of this expression. 4 plus 1, 5, 0, 2, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 2 plus 6 is equal to 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, and 0, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. How's ko na a square gi value se phange ko matang the a cube puthos. A cube is given by a square into a. Then write the values of a square. A cube se a square into a dagi whole aswe. A multiply by a square. Dagi nang na hot ning bam the hot pi ko. Agi oina di a cube se kay day pire a square multiply by a. Write all the elements of matrix A. Matrix A ito se 5 at a square, 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13. Write all the elements of matrix A. 1 0 2 0 2 1 and 2 0 3. See ire. Did you first row, second row, and the third row should be multiplied by first column, second column, and the third column. Multiplication rule applied to us. 1, 0, 2. Find the sum of product of corresponding elements. 1 into 5, 5. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 8, 16. 1 into 2 plus 2. 0 into 4, 0. 2 into 5, 10. 1 into 8, 8. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 13 is equal to 26. Then elements of first matrix should be multiplied by elements of second column. 0 multiple of 0 is 0, multiple of 0 is 0. Then 0, 4, 0 multiplied by 2. 0, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Sumaina ko na second na multiply to bolore. Third na multiply to 2, 1, and 3. 2 into 5, 10. 1 into 0, 0. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 2 into 8 is 16. 1 into 0 is 0. 3 into 13 is equal to 39. Then find the values of this expression. Value whole is 5 plus 16 is equal to 21. 0 is 0. 10 plus 24 is 34. 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. 0 plus 8 is equal to plus 8. And 4 plus 4 plus 15 is equal to 23. 8 plus 26 is 34. And 0 is equal to 0. 16 plus 39 is equal to 55. So, a square putokpangame, a cube putokpangame ko. Then, write the value of left hand side. Write the expression of left hand side. Left hand side is a cube minus 6 times of a square plus 7a plus 2 times of a. A cube value is write all the elements of a cube minus 6a square. Write the value of a square plus a. A value plus 2 times of I. I is the identity matrix of order 3, whose elements are 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. A cube is 6a square. All the elements of a square should be multiplied by 6. 6 na multiply to 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 0, 0. 8 into 6, 48. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 8, 48. 6 into 0 is 0. And 6 into 13 is equal to 75. Then third term plus 7 times of a. Elements of a should be multiplied by 7. 7, 7, 0. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 1, 7. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 0, 0. 7, 3, 21. Plus 2 into I. Identity matrix should be multiplied by 2. 2, 0, 0. 0, 2, 0, and 0, 0, 2. Plus layer, minus layer, plus layer, plus layer. Then find the sum of these matrices. Matrix is sum puthosika. And find the sum of corresponding elements. Corresponding elements is 21. Corresponding element is minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. 0. Corresponding element is minus 0 plus 0 and plus 0. 34. Corresponding element is minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. 12. Corresponding element is minus 12, 0, 0, and 0. 8. Corresponding element is minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. 23. Corresponding element is minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. 34. Corresponding element is minus 48 plus 14 and plus 0. Plus 0. Corresponding element is minus 0 plus 0 and plus 0. 35. Corresponding element is minus 78 plus 21 plus last plus 2. 21 plus 7 is 29. 29 plus 2, 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Minus 30, 0 tare. 0, 0, 0. 34 plus 14 is equal to 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. 0 tare. 12 minus 12 is 0. 2 plus 8 sige 2 sige 8 ka plus 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 14 is equal to 24. Minus 24 is equal to 0. 23 plus 7 is 30. Plus 30 minus 30 is 0. 0 tare. 34 minus 48. 34 ga 14 ga na plus 34 plus 14, 48 minus 48 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 55 is equal to 78. Plus 78 minus 78 is equal to 0. Since all the elements of this matrix is 0 and which is equal to O. Here O represents 0 matrix. Question number 16. Next question is question number 17. If A is a matrix of order 2 by 2 whose elements are 3, minus 2, 4, minus 2, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, elements are 1, 0, and 0, 2. Find K so that A square minus K times of A minus 2I. Matrix equation matrix equation is A square is equal to K times of A minus 2I. By using this matrix equation here, we have to find the value of K. So here by matrix equation se use tawraga nangna K gi value puthoktoini ko. Question number 17 holas. Question number 17. First write matrix A. 3, minus 2, 4, minus 2 are elements of matrix A. A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. I is the identity matrix of order 2. Then it is given that A square minus K times of A minus 2I. Then we need to find the values of A square. This A square is given by A into A. Product of AA. Write all the elements of matrix A. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Elements of matrix A. 3 minus 2 and 4 minus 2. Then apply multiplication rule. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. It should be multiplied by the elements of the first column. 3, 4 na multiply tawdoini. 3, 3, 9, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Then these elements multiply by second column, minus 2 and minus 2. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 2 into minus 4, minus minus plus, 3 into minus 4, minus 8, minus 2 into minus 2, minus minus plus. Then find these values. 9 minus 8 plus 1, minus 6 plus 4, minus 2, 12 minus 8 plus 4, minus 8 plus 4 is equal to minus 4. So minus A square ki value puthok pangamme ko. Here we have the matrix equation. A square is equal to K times of A minus 2I. Then write the values of A square. Elements are 1 minus 2 and 4 minus 4 plus K. Write the elements of matrix A. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, minus 2. I ki element 1, 0 and 0, 1. KA. KA means all the elements of A should be multiplied by this matrix K. 3 times of K minus 2K, 4 times of K minus 2K minus. Then this element should be multiplied by 2. 2, 0 and 0, 2. Smain pire. Nangi left hand side ito ko. Then find the difference of these two matrices. Matrix ani sige difference already corresponding element subtract 3 times of K minus 2, minus 2K minus 0, 4 times of K minus 0, minus 2K minus 2. Matrix A left hand side is equal to right hand side by equality of matrices. Left the P river matrix siga, right the P river matrix siga sab manare. Equality of matrices na kay high corresponding elements should be equal high. Then 3 times of K minus 2 is equal to 1. Akun equation siya ama katang lore ko. Then by solving this equation, find the value of K. 3K. Transpose minus 2 from left to right. It should be plus 2. 3. Dividing both sides by 3, we have value of K is equal to 1. Trying to raga ko na K gi value hot pangame. Then next question is question number 18. If A is a matrix of order 2 whose elements are 0, minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 0 and I is the identity matrix of order 2 so that I plus A is equal to I minus A into matrix whose elements are cos alpha, minus sin alpha, and cos alpha. Nangona matrix A and P ko. Sida P left hand side ki expression siga right hand side siga nanga mane na prove tawdini. Question number 18. Question number 18. A. Si 2019 na hangba question ni ko. Matrix A, elements are 0, minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 0, I is the identity matrix of order 2. Elements are 1, 0 and 0, 1. First write left hand side. left hand side irasico I plus A 1 0 0 1 plus elements of matrix A 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 0 1 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 1 sumain tar ithoe ko si iraba matung sida akoina utui se I plus A se I minus A multiply by this matrix neba I minus A multiply by this matrix sina left hand side ni som nakan gi sina right hand side ki expression ni ko then find the right hand side se mo putho se. Next, find the value of right hand side. The expression of right hand side is I minus A into multiply by this matrix. Elements are cos alpha minus sin alpha, and cos alpha. Value of I means identity matrix of order 2. Elements are 1 0 and 0 1. Matrix A elements is 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 and 0. Si value have se cos alpha sinagi matrix to ire. The value of this expression I minus A, difference of I and A is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus minus plus, which is equal to 10 alpha by 2. 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 is minus 10 alpha by 2. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then this matrix multiplied by this matrix. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, and cos alpha. Since the order of the first matrix is 2 by 2, the order of the second matrix is 2 by 2, and the number of columns of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So these matrices are compatible for multiplication. Multiplication yaba matrix ore. Find the product of these two matrices. First row and the second row of the first matrix is multiplied by the corresponding elements of first column and second column of the second matrix. Right, cos alpha, sin alpha is the elements of first row, cos alpha and sin alpha. Find the sum of product of corresponding element. Cos alpha into 1 cos alpha plus sin alpha into 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha. Cos alpha into minus 10 alpha by 2 is minus 10 alpha by 2 cos alpha plus cos alpha into 1 is equal to sin alpha into 1 is equal to sin alpha. Next, write minus sin alpha and cos alpha is the elements of row. Then find the sum of product of corresponding elements. Minus alpha into 1 minus sin alpha plus cos alpha into 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha into minus 10 alpha by 2 minus plus. We get 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha plus cos alpha into 1 is equal to cos alpha. So mani ito hai. In cos alpha here, write this 10 alpha by 2 is sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2, and this sin alpha. Sin alpha is equal to 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. So the identity am use the sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha is 2 times of sin alpha and cos alpha, but in this case, nang 2 se absent na, which is equal to 2 times of sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2. This angle should be divided by 2. Then second expression, minus sin alpha. This sin alpha can be expressed as 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus express 10 alpha by 2 as ratio of sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 into write this cos alpha minus 10 alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 and express the then write this cos alpha plus sin alpha. Sin alpha is expressed as 2 sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2. Express 10 alpha by 2 as sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into and sin alpha is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. Then express this cos alpha. Since cos to alpha की expression है cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. In this case 2 से absent होगा. So cos alpha can be expressed as cos square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha by 2 plus. Sige sida cos alpha by 2 cancel tore do the 2 later. Sin alpha by 2 into sin alpha by 2 is equal to sin square alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2. Then this cos alpha. Sige first term sida cos alpha by 2 na numerator denominator da koina multiply to sinarse. Multiply denominator and numerator by cos alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 we get cos square alpha divided by cos alpha by 2 plus si sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 ire cos alpha by 2. minus sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 si dumi to e 2 sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 sigi cos alpha by 2 se this cos alpha by 2 can be expressed as cos square alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 and cancelling cos alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 sige expression si when ako na kay pangore 2 sine square alpha by 2 into sine alpha by 2 is equal to sine square alpha by 2 plus then express this cos alpha as sine square alpha by 2 minus cos square alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 so I express the minus sine square alpha by 2 plus 2 times of sine square alpha by 2 which is equal to sine square alpha by 2 ni sida identity phangye ko sidagi kay common lawthokani taking sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 common from first term and second term sidagi common lawrese we get cosine alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 si common lawthokradi minus 2 cos square alpha by 2 leme plus then for the second term we get cos alpha then this expression a to 1 sigurina taking minus sine alpha and divided by cos alpha by 2 common from first term and second term we have si common lawthokrasi si common lawthok taking minus sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 common from first term and the second term we have for the first term cos alpha leme ko minus plus is equal to minus 2 se erase sine alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 common lawthokra the remaining term is cos square alpha by 2 leme then for the element a22 sige element se goina minus 2 sine square alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 nangi like term se first term ga last term go ere 2 sine square alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 subtract already we get sine square alpha by 2 plus second term is cos square alpha by 2 cos square alpha by 2 plus sine square alpha by 2 is an identity equal to 1 sine alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 can be expressed as tan alpha by 2 minus 2 cos square alpha by 2 into a plus this cos alpha is expressed as cos square alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 si cos alpha se sige expression si the thamme then write sine square alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 as the ratio of tan alpha by 2 cos alpha this cos alpha is expressed as cos square alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 minus 2 times of cos square alpha by 2 sine square alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha by 2 is an identity which is equal to plus 1 ga manare 1 ito e tan alpha by 2 ire ko minus 2 cos square alpha plus cos square alpha by 2 is equal to minus cos square alpha by 2 minus then we get sine square alpha by 2 later minus tan square alpha by 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 2 cos square alpha by 2 subtract already minus cos square alpha by 2 sine square alpha by 2 sadum ito e 1 nadum tare ko sige element sige di kya orani 1 matang si 1 tare tan alpha by 2 stay to e tan alpha by 2 stay e gre my 1 like gre ko 1 tan alpha minus cos square alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 minus sama common noi laure minus sama common lo thokra di we get sine square alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha by 2 which is equal to kya ga manarani my value se 1 ga manarani 1 di address yare tan alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 minus cos square alpha by 2 minus common log to the minus minus plus then we get sine square alpha by 2 plus cos square alpha by 2 is equal to 1 so left hand side is equal to right hand side